Okay, another thing you may want to do when you get a new Mini and you have the universal remote control system as an option in your car, and you'll know this if you've got the 3 buttons on the bottom of the rear view mirror right here. And if you want to program that with your, let's say most people want to do their garage door opener, have your garage door opener, turn the ignition on, and there are 3 buttons. Take the first and the third, or the outer ones, I think is what it says in the manual. Hold those down for 10 seconds. And then what it's doing now is it's erasing everything that's in there. And when it flashes rapidly, in some cases it'll be green. In my case, it's an amber yellow light. So once it's flashing rapidly, well, now you hold down the, let's say it's the number 1 button, because I want to program that to the garage door that I'm gonna. You hold it down and then you will open, and as soon as you see it flashing at you rapidly, now you know it's taken that program, and you let go. And now that should work, and it does. Okay, and so you follow that procedure for each button. So let's say now I want to do the second button, which is the other garage door in my garage. Yes, I'm privileged enough to have 2 doors. Then you want to hold the second button down and then hit the other button, and there it flashed rapidly, and that's that. Now that button works the other side, and that's it. So it's a pretty simple procedure. Hold those 2 outer buttons down for about 10 seconds simultaneously. It'll flash rapidly, either green or amber at you. And then let go. And then for each button you want to program, hold the button down. Then take your device, hold that button down, and you'll see a flashing. It'll flash rapidly once it's receiving a signal. The mirror's receiving a signal, and then you can just let go, and then test it just to see, and it should work. It always should work. Thanks for watching.